You're watching KVAL Weather with Al Peterson.
Well, good morning. I'm Al Peterson, and we have some very dramatic weather coming our direction. So dramatic, we're going to lead off with a winter storm warning for the Cascades of Lane County. From noon Wednesday until midnight Thursday, snow levels are going to drop down to about 1,500 feet, and by the end of this storm, the 36 hours we've got mentioned there, we could have up to 30 inches of snow. So if you're crossing over the passes this morning, everything's great. If you're going to wait and come back anytime after noon today, though, you've got yourself some trouble. So if you're going across this morning, have chains, be ready to go, because it's going to be rough when you come back. 38 degrees right now in Roseburg, 31 degrees down in Medford. We know we do not have much in the way of cloud cover down there, and 19 degrees in Klamath Falls, sort of, gets the stamp on that point. Low 50s in Astoria, mid 50s right now in Newport, mid 50s in North Bend, 54 degrees in Roseburg. And across the state yesterday, temperatures were very uniform. 57 degrees in Ontario, 55 degrees in North Bend, about the opposite ends of the state. Cloud cover, yes, we have it in the very northwestern corner of our state. We have it very large in the Puget Sound region up by Mount Rainier, which is just sort of the southeast of Seattle. But here's what we've got. We've got a big low pressure system up here. We have cool air coming in from this direction. It is already delivering rain. We can see that here. But it will be delivering some mountain snow. And with that mountain snow, it's going to be quite a bit cooler over the next 24 and 48 hours. And it's also going to be a lot windier for at least this afternoon. So windy, cold, wet. Big changes are coming. It's that time of the year. This is a perfect time to bring out the computer model, and the Storm Vision says, okay, yes, we think you'll be dry at 8 a.m. We think you'll be dry till noon, and then about 6 o'clock tonight, we're all going to get inundated, and then keep on watching. Blue is snow, and at about 9 o'clock tomorrow morning, we'll still be having snow in the Cascades. So the winter storm warning, not a watch, but a warning, which is to say it's going to happen as opposed to we're just watching. It's a warning. It's going to happen. Tonight, be very careful. Mid-50s, Newport, Walport, Yachats, Florence. Rain likely later in the day and a little bit windy. Same thing with the South Coast forecast. Morning fog, rain late, low to mid-50s all the way up and down the coastline. Showers, yes, all the way through the week, and we cool down just a touch over the weekend. But the Umpqua Basin drops down in temperatures pretty dramatically. Yes, a chance of rain toward the evening tonight, winds to 20 miles per hour with high temperatures in the low 50s. But the 7-day weather outlook, watch the temperatures tumble down to the low 40s by Saturday and Sunday and Monday. In the Cascades, we have a winter storm warning beginning at noon, staying on for at least 36 hours. Central Oregon, more clouds are coming our direction. And the 7-day weather outlook for the Willamette Valley. Here's what we are seeing. Here's what we are watching out for. We do have windy and wet conditions in the Cascades today. And also some windy, wet conditions in the valleys later on this afternoon. And it is 6:12, and we're going to take a look at who's celebrating a birthday today. We always start with our celebrities.
We always do.
Including award-winning director and producer Martin Scorsese, who turns 68 today. He has an American Film Institute Lifetime Achievement Award, many Oscars, Golden Globes, just to name a few of his movies: Taxi Driver, Raging Bull, Goodfellas, The Departed, The Aviator, and Casino.
Actress Rachel McAdams turns 32 today. Her breakthrough role was as the Queen Bee in Mean Girls. Soon after that, she was starring in The Notebook, Wedding Crashers, Sherlock Holmes, The State of Play, her new movie, Morning Glory. Have you heard about this? It's about a morning news program. It's in theaters now. I think we should go see it.
Yes, they always make us seem evil, though. Not a big problem.
We're not evil.
Not necessarily too far off in some cases. It's
Not
6:13. Golden Globe winner Danny DeVito, 66 today. He starred in Taxi, Matilda, and the show It's Always Sunny in Philadelphia right now. He and his wife own a production company called Jersey Films. It's just produced films like Pulp Fiction, Garden State, and Freedom Writers.
All right, let's take a look at